Morning, y'all. It's Ty again, and welcome to this episode of Get the Gaff Outdoors. Today, it's about 5:02 in the morning. We are heading out on the second to last day of Illinois' early goose season. It's been kind of a late year. A lot of the chopped cornfields that we normally hunt have not been chopped yet because it's still real wet. The farmers aren't doing that, so not a whole lot of places to hunt, but we finally found a chop field that we can go hunt today. Like I said, it's the second to last day of season. Hopefully we can go make something happen and shoot some big old Canadas. If you do like this video, please consider subscribing. Drop a like and a comment as well, but I'm gonna quit boring you. Let's get to the shooting. All right, we're in the corn. Let's do it. Want to shoot him? What's that?
Do we want to wide open?
I'm in. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Get ready. I think there's more behind us, maybe. I'm trying. I didn't know what you were shooting at.
I didn't either.
I'm working on him. There was 2?
Yeah.
My last shot I hit 1.
I hit one more and maybe went down, but there's 2 that got me.
Well, right, find it.
God, they came out of nowhere. Come here, Red. Red, come. Come here. Good dog. Good dog. That's a good dog. Good boy. Holy crap. That was like 150 yards from where we were sitting. Yeah. 200.
Good boy.
He's all covered in birds.
Good boy.
That's
you
a
get
good
the bird.
dog. That's such a good dog. Oh, he's covered in birds. Good boy, Red. Good boy. That's such a good dog. Well, I didn't think we dropped more than 1, but maybe we did.
I think we did.
All right, we'll go look for. Shh. Our geese.
Yeah, me too.
Good boy, Red. Oh, we got another one. Oh, you're looking. for another one. Hell yeah. All right, little update. Dog's tired. We got 4 birds over there by Murr. Still waiting on a couple more. Still have one down in the corn we think we're gonna go try and find. Got a good idea where it's at, but we're gonna give it a little bit more time. See if we can kill another 1 or 2. That is a good morning for the second to last day of season. Good job, dog. Let's go clean some birds.